Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! For today's video, naaday ta sa Talayong Spring! Hello kay James Pate. Say hi to my vlog!
Hi!
Kate Alexis Alejeno. Say hi to my vlog! For today's video, I'm gonna show you my little spring. This is my little spring! Let's go! Ay, balik dita. This is the Titanic eruption. I'm with Angelica James Pate. Water tastes good or not?
Yeah, water gorgeous.
Let me try the water. Feels good, but I'm bad. We have a new visitor. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Hi. The sun is very hot. I'm so very hot. Are you agree?
You agree with me?
By the way, this is spring located in Badian, Cebu.